So yeah, hello guys, my name is Sagar and this is my first ever tutorial to give you the walkthrough of AI. Lots of people are asking me where can I start? There are lots of things to learn in AI. The first tool that comes to my mind whenever I want someone to start with AI, it's Freepik. This is not sponsored video, but I believe the Freepik. I know the Freepik is the only one who give you like very cheapest subscription base. So yeah, here is the interface and I will walk through this all by one, and there is a lot to learn, like from image generation, video generation. They have like that assistant like a ChatGPT where you can use the different model to generate images or edit the images, and it has like ChatGPT 5 to understand what you are saying. And then we have image editor. We will explore this as well, and like you can see, like there are lots of different tools here, but yeah, I will try to cover as much as I can. I use Freepik on the regular basis. I just want to tell you guys like how we can do this and where you can start with. The first thing you have to learn is how to do the prompting. Let's say first you describe the shot. Shot means angle. Let's say the wide angle, wide shot, and then of what, right? Then let's just say a car, and then what kind of car? Let's say red race car. Again, I'm just explaining you guys the structure of it. First you explain the shot, then your object, then your object attire, then your object motion, like what is exactly happening here. So the race car is racing. Now the next question is where. We can just say on sun, right, on sun surface. And then you have to explain like which style do you prefer, the cartoony style, realistic style, 3D style, and again if you go more deeper, like what color tone do you want, like a warmer tone, like do you have any specific movie look that you can explain, like cold vibe and like just little train. So for now, let's just say I want realistic warm look, obviously because it's on sun, with natural gray. Grain means the noise that we see on the photos. Okay, and then you can even explain like which camera it's taken from, and if you have any specific camera in mind, then you can explain that, or you just can just go and search like best raw camera needs. Okay, so like I think Fuji is a good sample, but these are just DSLR most of the time. And let's say I want like Polaroid. Okay, Polaroid raw camera. We just need some name. Let's see Polaroid i2. We can just copy paste this name, and then here you have the option to choose the model, the image generative model. We have Sivdax, we have Flux, we have Mistake, we have Google, we have Ideogram, we have ChatGPT, we have almost every major image generator that we need inside Freepik. That's why I love Freepik. For now, let's just use Google Gemini Ultra because it gives you like very realistic look. And here you will have option like if you want unlimited mode, relax mode, or the credit mode. Okay, but right now they have this like Nano Banana Pro for free, unlimited, so I'm just gonna use that. So while this image is getting generated, there is another second way to get the prompts. Okay, firstly I will just again explain the prompt structure. First, describe your shot, object attire. If there are multiple objects, you have to explain their multiple attire, then their motion, position if you have something in mind, and the environment, and then look and feel. Okay, and there is another point, like if you want whichever your priority, that should be in first. Okay, like for example, for me, on surface moon is my priority. So I was just cut pasting that thing. Okay, wide shot on sun surface, a car, we can just cut that. A red race car racing, realistic bomb look with natural crane and portrait. I'm just gonna make this image as well side by side. And while we are working on this one, there is another way to get prompts, which is prompters. Yeah, let's see this one how this come out. And I think this turned out to be little okayish, and we can edit that. I will come to that part. I didn't like the angles. It's a wild shot. It has that crane, that we asked for. The Nano Banana 2 is kind of a good, but let's try with the Image Generator, which is one of my favorite. And also we can try with the Midjourney as well. Again, this is not a Midjourney tutorial, but Midjourney chat which would like most. I had my personal likes more, and let's say what Midjourney come up with as well. Let's get back to the Freepik, and yeah, we can try the different model as well. I like the sit-down 4K also. While images are getting generated, okay, let's see what image. I'll try skip here. Okay, this one is really bad, and I get it, like why it's giving us the white border, right? Because it's a Polaroid photos. I think the Polaroid photo was a very bad example. This is what my sister is working on. Ignore that thing. And then we can use like rear camera. I'm not sure like if you can understand the rear camera or not. Yeah, let's just put only this one. And let's generate again Nano Banana Pro and Imagine Ultra. Okay, while these images are getting generated, I want to show you the second version of it. Okay, let's ignore this for now, and we will go to the second way of getting the prompts, which is prompters. You can see the right, these are some custom made prompts that we have made, and these are some for like good prompters that I use on daily basis. What you have to do, you have to use ChatGPT, go to the Explore, and then search the prompter. Okay, for Imagine or Ultra prompter, right? It will take time if you try to find the prompter. There are some prompters, not good. So which one I usually use is like this one, which is Listen. It's given like a very good prompts, like a very detailed prompts, but I usually sometimes prefer to do a manual prompting, complex angle or something that I want. I usually go for the prompters. This one I use most. I will link this prompter in the comments below as well. You can just take it from there. And I'm gonna copy paste this prompt here. Okay, and let's see what we got in them. Nah, this look too fake. Okay, this is interesting. Like Nano Banana has given us like very cool image with the green and the white. This look so cool. This is too good. And the second thing what we can do with these images is that we can always use the Nano Banana again, and we can just I just want like more zoom out version of it, 2x zoomed out world cinematic shot of the set. Okay, and this is what Satan's 4K that even us like showing the moon in background, like it's shitty one, but yeah, it's fine. I think the Google Nano Banana Pro is the winner here, right? What do you guys think? Like even Imagine 4 Ultra is giving us like something like this, It's look very unnatural, and then we have this one look very like realistic. It has some texture in it. It has, I don't know where this smoke is coming from. Even if we are on sunlight, it's not physically accurate, but it's look cool, right? It's really look good. Let's see what this is a prompter that we have used, and this is the prompt that we have get. Let's just read it out loud. A wild shot of red race car speeding across the pleasing surface of sun intensity, distorting the horizon. solar flare interrupting in the background, surreal yet realistic depiction of high speed racing extremely environment. Okay, let's just copy paste this and remove this and generate this one as well. Okay, this is what we got to zoom out, right? This is so cool, man. And like, I want like more, what you call the flare, solar flares we have here. So yeah, this is the one of the prompter that I use, and this is what we got from our own prompter, like very basic prompter. Then we edited into like getting the 2x zoom out version of it. I really want to see how it will look on video. So here is another interesting part about Freepik. If you buy the Premium Plus subscription, then you will get like unlimited videos of Van, Minimax, and second one is Van. Yeah, Van and Minimax you get for unlimited for the whole year. Yeah, let me just walk through it. We have VO3, we have Kling, we have Minimax, we have Sora, we have Pixar, we have Sedans, we have again every video model that you guys need, and each of them costs some credits. We are now using the free one. Okay, the 721 is like 250 credits, which is fine. We're gonna generate the video of it. Let's wait for it and let's see what we got from our prompter. Okay, the prompter has given us like more dynamic angle of it, the more dynamic look of it. So this is the difference between the manual prompting and the prompter that we use. Again, the manual prompting can be more better if I wanted to like get into more detail and explain the intensity, the motion, the emotion that I want, and we might have usually get the similar kind of output even better. But yeah, with the prompter you can definitely use that, and the formula is same here as well. If you just look closely, they have explained the shot, then the object, and what is object doing, right? Object is speeding across the blazing surface of the sun, and then it's added the emotion or the situation, like explain what is happening there, and then look and feel, right? The warm golden orange hue dominating the scenes, and then the which camera that they have used and natural grain effect and all, the structure is same here, but prompter usually add more detail. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not, but yeah, I like this one too. Let's create the video of it as well. And whenever we go to create video, it will usually give us the video prompt. Again, the video, we are not here to learn video right now, we're focusing on images. I'm just gonna use whatever it's giving us right now, the auto generated prompts. Okay, we already got the fan output, and yeah, this is really cool. Like, this is so cool, right? We got the car on sunrise. How crazy it is, right? What we have to do is you have to go to image generator, you have to select your image model, and then it will give you the image of you want. The structure is simple. First explain angle, object, what object is doing, where is doing, and what is the mood and feel, and then the camera look and feel if you want. And if you don't have that much knowledge of like filmmaking and camera angles, you can always use the prompters to get started with it. So this is all about the image generation. About the pricing of the Freepik, which I really like. If you go to the monthly, it will cost you around 2,700 NRI, $30 a month. With annual, you get like 50% discount. And yeah, I am part of their affiliate program. If you can use my code, you get another 20% discount. If you want, you can definitely use that. And again, this is not because I'm affiliated with them. I'm gonna cover other tools as well, but Freepik, which I usually use a lot, because firstly it's cheap, secondly you will get every other tools in it, and third most important thing is like it's user friendly.